us, midterm is one of the really important moments in the mentoring program, because we support our participants through that, and then we can be free for the next 6 months and sure that they will be empowered to go successful in their mentoring relationships.
Checking goals is really important because things change along the way, and with each day that goes by we're not the same person. There are different things around us that keep changing, and actually if we get into the discipline of checking it with ourselves, is it the thing that I wanted to develop? Is it still the same? Does it stand? Also, where am I in this process? Am I progressing? Is there a different angle I maybe need to look at? And also, are both my mentor and are we aware of the goal we are going towards? And also, has something changed? Again, these are all the elements of the checking in process which help us reassure ourselves that we are making the progress, or if we really weren't thinking along the track where we're heading towards now, it gives us the opportunity to change and put a focus on what's important to us at that point in time.
It's really important that we learn, or should I say that we practice, how do we concisely express our ideas, especially networking. Because networking is like a short pitch. You have just a minute or 2 or 3 to get somebody's attention, to express your idea and why it's important to you, and maybe to get them to do some action, to connect you with somebody else, or to help you with your project. And these are all skills. This is something that you can practice. And what we did today was actually, through a series of rounds, was practice different ways, how, depending if we are louder or more quiet or more introspective or more energetic, we explored different ways to share our ideas and get feedback from each other. So this, if you practice this, if you spend just a few hours trying out loud with a friend how to say what you do, say what you need, and say what you can offer to somebody, you can really dramatically improve what it is that you want to share. So I would give advice to anybody who wants to network more, is to treat it like a process, as a skill to learn, and not just something that you become. I'm good at networking. I'm a person who's open. Anybody can network. It's just a matter of pushing yourself to try out different ways out loud, and sooner or later, through the feedback that you get, through the experience that you acquire over the process, throughout the process, you will get to a better place. And this will maybe make a big difference between whether your project or not happens, whether you get the funds or not, whether you get the right person or not. So good luck.